I do get asked fairly often from potential clients, hey, Mark, what should we be looking for in a siding contractor? For me, Hawthorn is very specialized in what we do. So we don't carry a huge menu. We're not trying to be the contractor that does everything for everyone. We'd prefer to have a smaller menu and just be very, very good and specialized at what we do. That's one thing that I would ask, customers is that if you're looking to replace your siding, especially if you're looking at James Hardie siding, choose a company that does James Hardie siding very regularly, knows the product forward and backward, doesn't necessarily need to use cheat sheets to answer questions. And so both of our full-time teams are highly specialized in James Hardie. They know the protocol and the best practices for install. That's one of the things we take great pride in. And so I think, aside from the checking the BBB, checking Google reviews, making sure they have insurance, length of time in business, is really digging deep on how specialized they are in that field of work, whether it's roofing, decking, fencing, or siding, and making sure that that contractor is specialized in what they're doing. I think it's important for a homeowner, and a very fair question to ask the contractor is, hey, how often do you work with this product? How many teams do you have, your install teams? And how often do each of those teams work with that specific product? And then don't be afraid to ask for addresses to go check out. So we're always more than happy to provide referral addresses for homeowners to drive by and go look at the house. They can even talk to the homeowners, check out their experience with it, and see the work firsthand versus just a take my word for it type of thing.